Struggling with the colors on your LG monitor? Wondering how to fix the color on your LG monitor for the ultimate viewing experience? You are in luck. Sometimes monitors can display inaccurate or distorted colors, which can be frustrating, especially when you rely on precise values for work or entertainment. This guide will walk you through simple, effective steps to adjust and enhance the color settings on your LG monitor. Step 1. Check the connection. A poor connection might be affecting your monitor's color display. Make sure your HDMI DisplayPort or VGA cable is securely connected to both your computer and the monitor. Unplug and replug the cable to ensure it's firmly in place. If possible, try a different cable to rule out any issues with the one you're currently using. Consider connecting your monitor to another device to check if the issue persists. Good connections prevent color distortion and improve overall display quality. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can be the culprit behind color discrepancies. To address this, update your graphics drivers. Start by identifying your graphics card model. Access your system's device manager, locate your graphics card, and select Update Driver from the context menu. On Windows devices, use the Windows Update tool or the manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers. For Mac OS, ensure your system software is up to date. Keeping drivers current ensures optimal display settings and accurate color rendering. Step 3. Use your LG monitor settings. LG monitors come with built-in settings to help you adjust the display according to your preferences. Access the on-screen display menu by pressing the menu button on your monitor. Navigate to the color or picture settings. Here you'll find options to adjust brightness, contrast, and color balance. Experiment with these settings to find the combination that offers the most accurate and pleasing colors. Use preset modes like sRGB or Cinema if available, as these are calibrated for specific tasks. Step 4. Calibrate your monitor. If manual adjustments don't solve the color issues, consider calibrating your monitor. Use calibration tools available in your operating system such as Calibrate Display Color or Windows or Calibrate on Mac OS. Follow the guided steps to set the gamma, brightness, contrast, and color balance. If you seek professional-grade accuracy, investing in a dedicated calibration tool like Data Color Spider or X-Rite iDisplay can be valuable. Calibration ensures precise color accuracy and can make a significant difference in display quality. Step 5. Test with color profiles. Explore predefined color profiles provided by your computer or external sources. On Windows, access these profiles via the Color Management settings. On a Mac, go to Displays under System Preferences and select Color. Try different profiles to see which one best suits your needs. You can also download ICC profiles which are tailored for specific tasks or industries, such as photography or graphic design. Different profiles can enhance specific color characteristics, improving the overall display experience. By following these steps, you'll discover how to fix the color on your LG monitor, enhancing your viewing experience significantly. From checking connections and updating drivers to using built-in settings and calibrating your monitor, each step plays a crucial role in optimizing color accuracy. Remember, the key to achieving the perfect display lies in the balance of settings tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or simply browsing, these adjustments will ensure vibrant and true-to-life colors on your LG monitor. Happy viewing.